welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers at the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strike saves lives and prevents the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, subscriptions, likes, or comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge. Yes, as you know, that we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law. And we over here, we celebrate informers. Informers are good people. Informers must live. And shatter must get roast can, clam. Or, you understand? I send them straight to the departure lounge. That's where shatters must go. Shatters don't deserve to go anywhere else. You understand? So, today we're gonna talk about one of your favorite Jamaican artists. They are out there lobbying, for him to get award, get national recognition. You understand? So they are lobbying the Jamaican government to give this man recognition. They are saying that he is deserving of a national award. Man, we're talking no other than Beenie Man, them say Beenie Man deserve national award. And, so we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we are saying that if Beenie Man to get national award, you can't leave out Christopher Dudus. No, or if you do that, both men have the same thing in common. What you mean? Beenie Man, and you see when we talk, we not talk with no water in our mouth, we talk with facts. So that's why people not gonna like us here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, because we're not saying things because we want to make people feel nice. You understand? No, we're gonna tell you the truth, the real mama papa truth. So that's why people not going to like us here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, because we're always gonna speak truth. Yes. You understand? So Beenie Man for national award, Beenie Man don't deserve that, man. So any person who deserving of national award, and we are saying this without any apologies. Yes. You understand? So we just want you to listen to us. Any person who deserves national award would be Bounty Killer, yes. Bounty Killer and Capleton never suspect of in killing of another Jamaican. And Beenie Man for national award, then you can't leave out Christopher Dudus because they have things in common. Killing of unarmed Jamaicans. Yes, of course. Then after we are not idiot and them thing there. Based on my experience and what I have known about Beenie Man when I was stationed at Unsby even in the 90s upward, Beenie Man was one of the persons who was fueling the war in Binns Road of killing other people, because they want to control people and people's thoughts and how them think. And Beenie Man imported a boy from Montego Bay by the name of Comic, and the man them kill him around the Comic of Binns Road for kill people around there. So if Beenie Man is to get national award, give Christopher Dudus a national award. You never hear Capleton name mentioned, say Capleton involved in orchestrating the killing of any Jamaicans or Bounty Killer. Beenie Man, we know, because it's even public. Gerald Lever, Bogle, Beenie Man name. And that's only Bogle, but we are talking about other people from Waterhouse. So if the government is going to venture down that road, you can't forget Christopher Dudus. Yeah, because Christopher Dudus, according to the rules of criminality, what them call him, a general in the criminal underworld. So if so be the case, give Christopher Dudus his award too. Because We know Jamaica is a criminal's paradise, you know, so you cannot forget the top criminals them. And Zeeks to all those, yeah, give Zeeks him, yeah, Vybz Kartel, Black Man, Tesha Miller. Because the only difference is that, you know, with Beenie Man and all of these people is that Beenie Man was never arrested, charged and convicted. You understand? But it's still over him head. Everybody know that he is the one who is responsible. Allegedly. And we'll soon release the thing. We say already, you know, that we're not going to release it until we get certain amount of views on the video of him responsible for killing Gerald Levy. Allegedly, based on the information received and obtained from police investigators. Remember, you know, Beenie Man was a suspect in a bogle killing, and Beenie Man was interrogated by the police at Arthur police station about it. You have never heard of bounty killer or captain being interrogated or being a person of interest by the police, the detectives in Jamaica, in the killing of another Jamaican. So when you talk about award, you can't leave out them two artists there. The reason why you don't hear me mention other artists, because I cannot confirm their background. You understand? The reason why I'm telling you that about bounty killer, you understand? Because I know the man personally. This is not a man who support the killing of other people. And I am telling you that bounty killer is totally against that. Remember, bounty killer caused a peace downtown, you know, between Matthews Lane and Tivoli Gardens. So anybody who is deserving of any award is bounty killer. Because what bounty killer did was save life and cause peace and business revenue start increase, and them have all dance the passa. That is that bounty killer work that, you know. But I'm not come out and boast about it. And I am speaking based on my experience as a detective and the information and the intelligence that receive, and based on conversation having with the same man too. But he's not that boastful man. I say, boy, I me this or me that. You understand? No, he's not like that. So, moving on. So, as we stated before, we say bounty killer and captain, they deserve national awards. So we are continuing to know. So Isaiah Leng, former detective sergeant Isaiah Leng, and Bobby Reds deserve the national award for their contribution to fighting crime in Jamaica. Isaiah Leng is responsible for single-handedly, yes, when we say single-handedly, him alone most of the time, yeah, for dusting out some of Jamaica's most wanted men from my place of birth, Jonestown, and Concrete Jungle Hornet Garden. Yes, man. He did it all by himself, single-handedly. You will never. Well, that's why the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, along with Dr. Peter Phillips and former Commissioner of Police Owen Ellington, this man could CIB because I mean like Isaiah Leng, because Isaiah Leng was very effective in getting rid of criminals. Now them have CTAC. You understand? CTAC a joke thing. So the reason why we say now say Bobby Reds must get an award. You see right there, that bicycle, that's the brainchild of Bobby Reds. Yeah, Bobby Reds is one of the person who is behind the creation of the bicycle team that you're looking at right there. And yours truly, yeah, we do it for years. So you're going to hear all of them background of why these men deserving the national award and not Beenie Man. Because Beenie Man haven't contributed anything substantial to the development of Jamaica. Beenie Man devalue life. You understand? When we say devalue life, people who intimate the killing of other people, I devalue people life. So when him import kamikaze a boy from Montego Bay to Waterhouse to kill people around at the same place where he is from, you devalue life, you know, no respect for people life. And when the same people them around there by Binz Road, when Beenie Man was trying to get them to kill Capleton too, and we can let you hear that, and them run him away. So Beenie Man deserve a national award, nothing. So don't be fool people, you understand? So we're totally against that. So these are the men who deserve a national award, and I just hope the powers that be is listening. You understand? Yeah. So as we stated, so Isaiah Leng is responsible for killing some of Jamaica's most wanted men from my place of birth in Jonestown, Kingston 12 and Concrete Jungle. And because he was not a PMP LGBTQ plus activist, because you know them, may I tell you how them stay now. You see, because Leng was an effective detective at Admiral Town in a Kingston Western Division. Them saying that, say, boy, Leng a labor right, you know, because Leng was responsible for killing the most PMP LGBT, most PMP gunmen, you know, in Kingston 12, you know, when he was at Admiral Town, you know. Leng was in the police where patrol one of them things, you know. Leng was like a Navy SEAL police officer. Anytime Leng leave him office in a open man 2 or 3 other police, you don't know when you hear a couple shot and all them thing there, you know say, yeah, you know say him and a gunman them tangle up, and you know say Leng no lose gunfight and them thing there. So you know say and you see him come out with the M16 when him get from them and all them thing there, and I saw it go. You understand? So that's why so the PMP them, you know, them see him one now. So boy, Leng a labor right. You understand? So that's one of the main reasons, you know, why them get rid of Leng, you know, because them not get rid of two things why them get rid of why them fight him out of the police force. One, them bad mind. Because them did hate the same politician them, you know, them hate for no say a policeman did have amass so much wealth because of Sting, and Sting was an international brand. You understand? And the other thing now, them I say, boy, him kill the most PMP badmen them. Yeah, that them say. Leng kill the most PMP gunman them from the 80s. So they will do anything to get rid of him. So that's why them use Macmillan to get rid of him. It's as simple as that. And then them see him and pretend like so them don't know nothing about it. When them see him and you understand, hey, you don't know them people there, man. Them dangerous, you know. So moving on. You understand? So as we say, you know, Leng was labor right by the criminals in my community because they could not buy him out as the others are licky police officers who work at Admiral Town Police Station. Yeah, men like Natty Chris, Scaly, and I could go on and on until next year. Bobby Red's lasting legacy and the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the bicycle that the cops are riding in 2023. He did it for 3 years because he was a patriot. When the Jamaica Constabulary Force did not have service vehicle, yeah, when we never have any service vehicle at Hunsby, you understand? That's where yes, so see him there that a Bobby Reds, one of the baddest police that ever work at Hunsby. No guy can come close to him. The closest guy will come to Bobby still is a little youth like my little brother when he get her. You understand? Yeah, no other detective can come close to him. And we are telling that without any apology. He's a police. This a man I don't know fear, man. Remember me tell you that. Gunfight and him now lose it. I just saw it go on him thing there. And I show you the system work to and work against him. And the man him decides say boy, yeah. Although them saying you know, I'll leave no man post say boy, you're you know, you and your friend Bobby are two big PMP police and all them thing there. And not even bother listen to him. The next thing you know what them said now, them say boy, Bobby killed too many PMP gunmen in a St. Andrew South. So them have to cool him down. A 3 murder, them charge him for that after me leave, you know. Yeah, charge him for 3 murder in which a good shooting, you know. Man recover a gun and all them things, but you know it is. So them say boy, them need to cool him off because them a get rid of too many PMP gunmen. Me not understand all them things there. Oh, you know, man, we are kill people and all them things there. And him and police in a task up and you say boy, we are cool him off 10 years. The man go on suspension for 3 counts of murder. I charge him for 3 different murder. So I make sure they milk him out and you understand. You saw them dangerous. You understand. So, you know, moving on, you know. But you'll never see men like Bobby and Isaiah Leng again in the police force because, you know, the activists them, the politician them, you know that they are pro-criminals. You man just look at what happened with Black Man this week. We soon touch it still, you know. A man I get 4 and 6 years for murder. That's why the crime rate is going to escalate. Because you can't kill a man, mother or him father and him say, and he's going to give the police a statement. Forget which court. If a man go get 4 and 6 years to come back to come kill him, he rather kill the man himself and go to prison. Remember me tell you that. So you better prepare for the escalation of crime in Jamaica because of what happened with black man sentencing this week. Although it's a digression, but it's a fact that, you understand? Because you know, the police like Bobby Reds again, Isaiah Leng, in the city. You understand? So, you know, Bobby not rich like Isaiah and them thing there. I say, you know, with hard working police. And they honest and them thing there. You understand? You know, go rob nobody. You know, rob people, them coke and one and two little things, you know. You understand? So, yeah, man. So, you know, we did it, you know, for 3 years riding the bicycle. Yeah, man. One time, you know, we never have no service vehicle at Hunsby, which the Michael Manley government starved the police force of, you know, service vehicle. And this man was one of the founder of this method of transportation to patrol St. Andrew South because murderers were having a field there. Which, so, you know, so when you talk about somebody who's supposed to get an award, this man, you understand, him not get no award, but he's supposed to get a national award for all of that. Because in 1993, you know, when time murder killed we at St. Andrew South, you know, and the man one day we almost say four murder in them. 1993, you know, Michael Manley, our Prime Minister, a taxi police have to take up a murder scene and pay out in pocket, you know. I did a case, you know, with Mr. Several cases, but I just tell about a popular case. A case with a man named Mr. Tyre and this man named Charlie Freighter, one of the smartest criminal. You understand? That the man know if manipulate people and for control people brain and turn them into ideologues and make them become organ robot. A man named Charlie Freighter. That the man have address all over houses and them thing, and him have a house a Willow Dean. Them time you have a phone where you call the fridge. Them the man they have 4 fridge phone the man they have. And one rich man have them thing there. And that the man they never work in their life. Him a con artist. But him smart. So if you're an idiot and him think, if you're an idiot, him going to manipulate you. The man they get a loan from bank with trucks. Have title for truck we never make yet. Leland truck and Benz truck. So good that's how good that man was. That man, hey, look here, man. You know, so when people go talk and I said this and that, you know, but boy, we over here we are labor right and them thing. What does I tell you the truth? 1993 we don't have no police vehicle. You see all the night time, at them time the boy them kill people, you know. But still, you know, and the worst part about it, all of these killings were happening in a PMP communities. A PMP a kill PMP. You understand? All because of ego. Man said this man like it and all of them thing there. At the time Michael Manley was Prime Minister. So you see all that night all the detective where I work, most of the time it's, you know, you have a murder where I'm in a St. Andrew South in the night. They must ask a Willie, you know, from Kingston West, for carry the detective on the murder scene. So the detective have, and you know, so the Willie, you know, the soldier, them and the police, when them sit down at the back, them foot off and all of them things, because hey, when you are working at Kingston West, you know, man, them place they are war zone, you know. Because you can't just drive in and a man just come out on you and start fire shot on you, you know. You understand? So that's what happened in 1993. So that's how the bicycle squad came about. Very effective. It reduced crime. We find many guns, dismantle gangs. You understand? And I just saw it go. And guess what? None of us never received anything from the police hierarchy. Yes, I was the team leader until it, you know, you understand? I was the team leader for the squad. Every time when them say, boy, yeah, Porter, yeah, man, yeah, you know, them call and say, yeah, you know, this week, you know, you get promotion. That all them time they Macmillan commissioner of police. Then I had to defend my life. 40 people, yeah, man, 33, between 33 and 35 Walton Park Road, Kingston 30. 40 people come out and give statement against me, saying that the man who injured the next man, you know, said the weapon we man have, and me plant it, and nobody else never get no injury and anything. Now, you understand? And the man where him injure and live, and the man that KPH and handcuff man in bed as a prisoner, charged 2 counts of murder. That man saved me from the charge. You understand? So I saw all them people here are wicked. You understand? Yeah, but all because I was not on a payroll of no criminal and them thing there. You understand? I just saw it go on them thing in a when so you see police where I work in a them community like St. Andrew South, Kingston West. Man, me I tell you, man, them have a look away in time them ready for just dash away. So looking at your left right now, you see a detective named Evan Blake. Good police. In my last name brand detective work at Hunsby. You understand? I'm on not talking about you know, you have a rear admiral guy down there. Me not call him name and them thing. A rear admiral guy. Yeah. You know, so I think they must put him back in a uniform. But when you talk about decent police and the last name brand police, yeah, Evan Blake. Yeah, man, see me right there. Me and him that, you know, with our a TGI, you understand what I'm saying? We link up on 1 and 2 look at thing. Yeah, good police. You understand? But I just saw it go. So, moving on. You know, so, although, you know, yeah, so, you know, we ride the bicycle for years. Me, Bobby, Carl Nelson, Migrate, and Kirk Palmer. Four of us, and none of us get anything. We don't get nothing. I mean, I don't want nothing. I don't want no recognition for that. For that. Yeah, I don't want none. I just, Bobby supposed to get something because Palmer dead. Palmer was a rear admiral. Palmer dead. I know say Dave, Carl Nelson don't want nothing to do with the police force or anything because how them treat him, you understand? Him never do anything wrong, and because of them friend, me not try for extra junior cat and all them thing there. Yeah, and him use decency and honesty, and him get the shafted and them thing there. Them, me I tell you, hey, you look man, he's a criminality, you know man. So him don't want anything. Me worse, I don't want nothing. You understand? You know, see, but give Bobby, yeah man, give Bobby the national award. Bobby deserve that for his contribution to fighting crime in Jamaica. Give him that. He deserve it. You understand? Isaiah Lang deserve it. Oh, the man that works hard and there's no recognition from the government to them. I don't know if Dadrick Henry get any of them thing. Dadrick Henry forget it because Dadrick Henry and Sledge. But, you know, you understand. Our Tom Levine and all them man there. So, you know, moving on. So, when we were riding these bicycles then, you know, after Michael Manley starved the police force a police vehicle and them thing, you know, we got zero, we never get any stipend or allowances to ride these bicycles because it was not a forced policy. Due to the effectiveness of this team, we were able to eradicate bus robberies. That after a while, you know, we migrate from bicycle to motorcycle because them they want to kill the two away. Yeah, because I two away them say, yeah, them my problem, you know, me and Bobby. You understand? And Carl Nelson, them, you know, Carl Nelson end up go work with Cowboy. You understand? So that him have, you know, a vehicle for carry him home. Because them they want, you understand? They don't want to them they want to kill him too. Right? You know, him was very effective too, you understand? Kirk Palmer did come off our team and he wasn't on the team then, so he wasn't a part of the intelligence where they want to kill. It was the three of us. So them end up now, just give me a bike, and me and Bobby and them send me upon a bike course up a mobile reserve with a man named Baker. Man, them say first them ever see that in a history of police force where them have where a police train or mobile reserve a train one police alone for ride bike. Them tell me Macmillan or commissioner of police. Yeah, so normally them say boy is a squad and them say boy me different, you understand? Yeah, thanks to man, you know, to the great John Gaz, you understand, you know, looking out for we and them thing there. Because we didn't even know that. Although we are work on them thing, they have matched some good works and you understand them and them say no, hey, them boy they're for dead, you know. But we're still there, me and Bobby, so we give thanks. So that's why we say, boy, Isaiah Lang and Bobby deserve national award for their contribution fighting crime. You understand? So them deserve that. You understand? Yeah, man, so, you know, we're getting a little rundown about Bobby, you know. So Bobby Reds is responsible for dusting out most of the gunmen from the Natty Morgan's gang. Let me repeat it, you know. These are facts, you know. Bobby Reds is responsible for dusting out most of the gunmen them from Natty Morgan's gang. And the last one was 1 and 20. Yeah, 1 and 20 in a Riverton, Kingston 11. And the same day, you know, when you understand, we take care of 1 and 20, our 5 shot Kirk Palmer get in his chest. from the gunmen them at Riverton City. So Bobby deserved that because over a mile we run down all the boy, you know. He run him down in the swamp. Yeah, you understand? So Bobby another joke police. You understand? Because after Palmer get the shot the man him thing there. And because hey look, I know that God bless me and Bobby, you know. Me and Bobby are the only police who work assault. We're out there we never get shot. Everybody else get gunshot. So that's why the people them say we deal. But I just bless on them thing there. Yeah, them say we deal because we shouldn't be here, but we know say God, you know, the creator of heaven and earth, know and love we and them thing there, the two away. And I say God no love the other man them. That's why them not dead still, but we no get no shot. Because which part Palmer get shot, you know. Bobby and I just leave round so like about 5 to 10 seconds, you know. And I will say a beat. I tell you say gunshot like rain. And the man, him and Palmer and Rock Steven are around the side of the house at Riverton. And when the man ball out, so boy, him say, Porter, me get shot, them a come down. And me and Bobby there the next side, you know, because gunshot, so, you know, you have to get flat. And me I tell you, you know, it's a board house, you know, and a M16 we have, you know. And based on where him say him get shot, we know say him up on the ground. And them the man there, you know, hey, Ashaba we call Palmer, you know. Yeah, Kirk Palmer, him dead. You know, although him, you know, rest in peace, although him was a rear admiral, but bad police, you know. And when we hear him say, boy, him get shot, and we hear the shot them, and him said, boy, them a come down for me. So, you know, say, from your ear, I say that means say him not have him gun them in a man. A 2 gun him have a shotgun, and him have him 9. You understand? And all me and Bobby could have do, because Bobby, that day Bobby did have him 16 too. And boy, and me turned him M16 on the house, you know. Cause boat, so you know, so he shot a fly through. And there's rap. And you know, Bobby, you know, and me I tell you, you know, man, you know, so when everything all is said and done and go back I see, me I tell you, oh God good, you know. You see where we fire the M16 through the house. That is a IGL gas cylinder, you know, and you can see it, you know, where it does the tore the bullet, you know, from the M16, you know, he just take off the paint off of the thing, you know, you can't see it, you know, and say, boom, God. So that would be an explosion there, you know. So we know that God love it, because we are dead right there. You understand? So we give thanks. So that's why him deserve our award. But apparently it seems like Jamaica don't cater, the system don't cater for crime fighter. So, yeah man, so these two entertainers deserve award, Bounty Killer and Capitan. I've never been suspected of suspects in the killing of another Jamaican, and they deserve national award, not because Capitan are Rasta. You understand? We know say I frame them all for him, Capitan and all them thing there. Tell lie on him, and we know why them do it so. You understand? Because they have to smear the Rasta man and them thing there. You know. So, you know, moving on. So I will tell you already, say, boy, Bobby is the man responsible for most of the dirt in, you know, the dust out man them from Natty Morgan gang. Ask any man that. Bobby is one of the most feared police in a St. Andrew South. You understand? Because them know, you know, man. Once Bobby Reds a look for you, you know. You know, say, you understand. You know what time it is, you know. Because in time you and me tell him thing there. Him not lose a gunfight. It's even I went. On Monday I was talking to a police and him thing there. He remind me about a boy named Ugly. You're right out by the back to market, and me and the boy did there and a 3 shot and a 5 shot. Me get the boy out of the M16 close, you know, in his belly, you know. And me I tell you, say, boy, a Dr. Ford saved the boy, you know. And yeah, a Bobby lick him down when me there foreign, you know, man. Yeah, man, because Bobby did the night, you know, the two of them, you understand. And what happened, you know, with him and Bobby, yeah, Gatato and Andrew Williams. That's how police come from Tivoli. And the boy, because the boy El Ben say he must kill Bobby, you know, because to, you know, me and him, you know, we shot him up on them thing there. And him and Bobby, the Monday man, you know, you understand. And him and Bobby fire a shot straight up in M45. Not, you know, go straight up in the gun nozzle. You understand? Right in the breech and jam him gun. And 9, yeah man. You can't tell the people them are back to say Bobby no deal. Nobody never say nothing like that. Because the boy I beat the 45, you know. And when he beat it, Bobby just fire like 3 shots, you know. And the boy a squeeze and a squeeze. Jam it, jam. Yeah, man, and Bobby just deal with him, man. Yeah, man. Straight to the departure lounge. Them man, they deserve a medal, man. Cause them man, they deserve award, national award. Because him deserve it. The man work, man. You understand? Hey, look, man. Actually, you know, may I tell you, say, you know, things that man have done, man. Him and Isaiah Leng, and you have other police, but we are talking about police who set the trend. Because as I am saying right now, no other police, no other detective, at St. Andrew South can't erase the work them with Bobby Red's done. Yeah, man, that team the great sledge, because I said them, you understand, living over there as long as Bobby. Because Bobby there from the 80s, you know, man. Yeah, Bobby Reds. Then the man, they are legend, man, just like Isaiah Leng. I ask Bounty Killer them, man, and we tell you that are them thing there. You understand? But, you know, Bobby, him kind of have some little personality problem on them thing there, you know. And Killer is a man that totally different, but, you know, me and him good still. So, you know, moving on. Yeah, man, so Bobby, you know, Bobby deserve, you know, Bobby, Isaiah Leng, Bounty Killer, and Capitan, they deserve the national award. Yeah, man. And not Beenie Man, who is a suspected murderer, allegedly, in the death, yeah, man, of Bogle, of Gerald Lever, otherwise known as Bogle, and other Jamaicans from Waterhouse. So Beenie Man must not be considered for any of the national award because he is still a suspect in the death of Gerald Lever, otherwise known as Bogle, dancehall name. And we have evidence of him planning the same. Allegedly, yes, we have evidence of him planning the same. And we're going to let the audience hear it. Because anything that we tell you here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we have it. We don't say things because we want views. We care zero about views. We say that so many times. That's why we tell people, say, certain people who don't want them over here. Because we all about law and order. Team Jamaica. We don't care about no PMP and a PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization or the GLP government. All we care about Team Jamaica, anyone at the party. If both of them are on board for make Jamaica a better place, yeah man, we'll ride with the two of them. But if I wanna do it, I want we are ride with. So I just saw it go. We know say who knows say one now have no interest in that because that's a part of their modus operandi how them operate. And if you're not corrupt, you know, and you know, so them control, them have all prominent YouTube people in them pocket, you know, because them try to recruit me. Yeah, people when me know, you know, when me know good. You understand? And you know, I'm gonna tell you certain thing because him know you for years and them thing there. So them might spill the bean and them thing there. Them can't buy me. And man, you know, man, surprised. I cannot be bought at some mistake. Me can't because I know this, you know. Anytime you are for sale, that me say you don't have value, you don't have no self-worth. It's money. Is here is if you can be bought, you have nothing about you. But you have to portray yourself, you know, as ethical and moral and decent and truthful and this. You that we knows that a lie because them try to recruit we to. Them use people who knows people who are part of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization who them feel say because we are them close that they were able to get through to it. So they might tell me and spill the bean and say, yeah man, then so a part of the movement and them thing they want. No sir, you know, we don't know that. Team Jamaica we are dealing because what's the sense of we are make money and other people life are destroy? That are blood money, you know. Me no want none. You understand? It's just like how when the drug dealer from England named Little Bigger call and them want to give me £10,000 to take down the video about the killing of Rifle and one of the British and them thing there. Because it linked back to them friend Cool Breeze. Why you want if you innocent why you want to pay for a video? You understand? But you want copyright and all them things, you alone have exclude £10,000. And then man I try to convince me. Boy, you're an artist and this and that and one and two look at thing and we are bite. Nah man. When you do that now, you just click off your whole heap of bells start go off in the mind. No man. That means boy something in this video. You don't want the people them to know. You understand? Because people are gonna look for you know and say, wait, that's true, you know, because we know some boy porter, you know. He's a man when the man in a tell lie, you know. You understand? You know, see. So we continue the journey. So yeah, man. So as we tell you already, say, you know, so they said that. So we are telling them, the Jamaican government and the people them, you know, deal with these award thing. If you are considering Beenie Man for the national award, you can't leave out Christopher Dudus Cook. You cannot leave out Christopher Dudus Cook if you are considered Beenie Man. Dudus Cook, because they have the same things in common. They have the same thing. Their names are linked to people who were murdered by gunmen in Jamaica. You understand? Dudus, when we know that Dudus went on a triple murder on a town and killed 3 people. That time in the 90s, I saw him at gun court, a little short man and them thing there, and quiet. You understand? And Detective Sergeant Green arrest and charge him. And them transfer him, and Brown man, and them transfer him back to St. Mary, and they give him nothing. And a PMP in a power, and a big case like that, I think they would have reward him, no? I will tell him to go do that. Yeah, man, transfer. You understand? And yeah, I just saw it go. So, Bounty Killer, Capleton, Bushman, and the Marleys, Sean Paul, and the likes are more deserving of national recognition than Beenie Man, who has been responsible for the loss of lives of many Jamaicans in even the home community, his home community of Binns Road, Waterhouse, Kingston 11. And I can remember in the early 1990s, he was one of the violent contributor to the killings of people there, allegedly based on information and intelligence received when I was at Hunsby. I remember this boy comic, and you understand, and him come, and because I think, and the man borrow my $400, I know the man that paid me back that I found in the 1990s, and 400, that was like 200 US. Every time I see him ask me for money in my life, but I don't want. Like him thinks I'm a drug dealer and him thing there. You understand? So, yeah, man, I said, boy, yeah, I'm my $200. You know how much money that me have that a bank? Man borrow my money and I pay me back. I'm a big artist. I'm a police. So, you know, we'll continue the journey. And plus, he's involved in the killing of Gerald Lee, popular known as Bogle. You understand? Allegedly based on information received and obtained. Because remember, you know, it's over 7 hours police that they are ragging, you know. And him have to hide up at Daniel Williams' house, you know, with him girlfriend Carleen, you know, up at Beverly Hills, you know. We have all of them information there, you know. You understand? And the boy when he stranger, yeah, them decides the boy, hey, him, you think him easy, him being the man decides the boy, you understand? All King Jam is all involved in them thing if he kill stranger, because stranger I want a man, you know. And then the boy from over Mar Valley, that are the only my water forwarded gun. That I one singer a Rasta, I don't remember his name right now still. I look upon him in Marley is up and I say up a sheriff and them thing there. You understand? So, you know, moving on. You understand? So, you know, Beenie Man, he had even imported a known murderer from Montego Bay, a man whom I remember as comic. So, this is it now. So, Patrick Roberts eyeing Bounty Killer, Beenie Man, and Capleton for National Award nominations. And you know, so Patrick Roberts a big rear admiral, you know. We said that without any apologies. Yeah, reason being is based on our experience as a detective in 1993, January 1993. I think it was the 22nd or 23rd or thereabouts. It was a Monday morning, you understand, in January 1993. We were looking for Jamaica's most wanted man. And that man, his name is Christopher Bone. Them call him Chris from Payne Avenue. Yeah, man, he's the one who started killing murder witnesses in Jamaica, in which it was a prominent PMP LGBTQ plus lawyer. Prominent. Yeah, you know, see him, big lawyer with Tesha Miller and all them, man. That's the same lawyer who had told criminals, yeah, that if them kill the witnesses, the men them who were charged with murder and the case was about to try in circuit court, that the man would walk. Before then, criminal never know that, you know, say if you kill a witness, that the man them in a walk. Is that lawyer started it. And I saw that man now become wanted. He can kill the witness them. Same place in Payne Avenue and other part of Kingston 11. And he killed like about 5 people and he was wanted. And so information, intelligence, yeah. So At the time, Mr. Pusey, Donald Pusey, may his soul rest in peace. He was at Anti-Crime. They just start. No, he was at Mobile Reserve. Because Mobile, we went in the morning. Mobile Reserve. So we left Mobile Reserve and went to Jamaica Street. I was one of the detectives who climbed over the fence at the house at Jamaica Street. Because he couldn't open the gate, because even the gate was way up. So we, jump over and them thing there. We young, fearless and them thing there. Not even think about we safety, because we want to forget this boy, because I'm kill people. And when we were able to breach and go into the house, me and Bobby and Rocky and Gunter. Gunter is a detective inspector now. You see, I tell you, police was not cater for hard working and honest people, And reaching the house, I tell you, say house stink like Dede. Yeah, man, Beenie Man, from them knee go down, him have on a shots. Yeah, and the whole of him foot fussy. In that house, stink. Yes. You understand? That's why I say, wait, man, I will shit up in that place and them thing there. But you understand? But look, I saw said the man, and then now, the man I say, yo, say I saw it, and you go in a place and it's a stink, a rear admiral behavior, them I go on with and them thing there. Him and Patrick Roberts. Yeah, man. I tell you, say, the brother when him Patrick Roberts, him man mouth stink, him man mouth stink. Yeah, man. I have to tell him, say, hey, man, your mouth thinking, man. I'm about to come up in my face and them thing there. Because I say, boy, if we know who him and them thing there, like we care. You understand? So, after we leave the salon, then we got P&F, and the boy, them engaged me and Bobby in a school yard, and we find 3 guns. All the boy named Christopher Fox. Boy, I tell you, a corrupt system, man. Boy, him did get some other man in there. We get 3 guns in the yard, EL Selassie. All the little kid them at school and watch all the shoot out them. And it go all the way over Mackay, and that's how him, the boy when named Christopher, the most wanted man. You understand? I tell you, say, hey, get a Glock on them thing there. Yeah, yell up Ku Klux. And I tell you, say, the man stink like a pig. Guess what? He reach Madden. The man have on Pampers. Yeah, the man have on Pampers. So them never want that for release and them thing. So that I first known Rear Admiral. Forget dirt, where dirt people. And so when he was killed in a show, so the people them up here have him say my era, and the man a big Rear Admiral, I tell you, man. And that's why, so you see, most of these guys where kill people, most of them are Rear Admiral, them not no conscience, because them not no soul, So that's why it's and like nothing for them, man. That's why people say them cool. So, moving on. So Bounty Killer and Beenie Man, Shocking Vybz producer Patrick Roberts say he believes Bounty Killer, Beenie Man and Capitan have been overlooked for national awards for their contribution to Jamaican music, and has declared that he will personally nominate them for the 2024 listing. Roberts, who's also the councillor of Mullines Garden Division of Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, was speaking against the background of what he said were criticism of the nominees for this year's award, which are to be presented at King's House on National Heroes Day, Monday, October 16. If we celebrate 61 years of independence this year, these artists' names should have come up. They each have more than 30 years of service in the business, and all 3 are still current. That in itself is an achievement, Roberts told the Star in a recent interview following the announcement of the 2023 recipients on Independence Day. Capitan, according to him, while he had no idea whether any of the 3 DJ have ever been nominated, he was hoping that the Board of Honors would select the trio themselves, as it would be a travesty if the little controversy that may have surrounded them would be the reason for them to be punished by withholding such honor. The World Dance co-producer, who was confer with the Order of Distinction officer class in 2019 for his contribution to music, entertainment and community development, also pointed out that each year when the awardees are announced, there is a debate surrounding who deserved the OD in music and didn't receive it, and who was named for the honor and did not deserve it, according to the Star. On August 6, the government of Jamaica announced that reggae dancehall singer Wayne Marshall, Tarrus Riley, and father of hip-hop Cool Earth were among 125 Jamaicans who will be presented with national honor at King's House on National Heroes Day along with the Queen of Reggae, Marcia Griffiths. Griffiths is honored with the Order of Jamaica for her significant contribution to the reggae industry, locally and international. Also 10 years after being bestowed with the Order of Distinction Commander Class in 2014. Cool Earths, whose name is Clive Campbell, will be presented with the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander for his contribution to the international recognition of the reggae DJ music genre for pioneering the hip-hop music genre. Wayne Marshall will be presented with accolades for his contribution to reggae music, while Taurus Riley will receive his OD for his contribution to reggae music entertainment locally and internationally. In February this year, during his performance at Reggae Month Salute to Dancehall concert, Beenie Man, who was once led the Shocking Vybz crew of artists, had insisted that the government of Jamaica should bestow upon him the Order of Jamaica, the national fifth highest honor. Really? So if any other government bestow all that and Beenie Man, them must give Dudus. Dudus, you cannot forget Dudus, Zeeks, Ballad, that are Joel and them, Blackman, Andre Blackman Blind, Tesha Miller, Vybz Kartel, White Knight, all of these criminal. If them give Beenie Man any award, them forgive them criminal their award. Because Beenie Man name involved in killing a whole heap of people. You understand? Including my cousin Bogle. Yeah. So we know that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. You know? So if them give Beenie Man or nominate him, nominate all of them criminal there, them convicted criminal there. Because we know say if it not go so, it go near so. And there's evidence. It's just that the police they never have the direct evidence to arrest and charge him for murder. The only youth that was innocent toward everything with the killing of Bogle are the youth when he are the other youth that were there. When name are John Hype. John Hype now have nothing to do with it and them thing there. Beenie Man have everything to do with it. You understand? But because of John Hype relationship with Beenie Man, that's why he must get burned out. And them shouldn't do it, but I just saw it going and get to, you know. You understand? So moving on. So that's how him say, oh, he might tell the government, him and them are. So at the time, Beenie Man had declared that he was not interested in the lower level Order of Distinction, OD, which has been awarded to others of his dancehall compatriots such as Angel Saska, Sean Paul, Shaggy, Lieutenant City, Yellowman, and Shabarangs. Beenie Man declared he wanted to be bestowed with the Order of Jamaica, presented in spirit to sprint legend Usain Bolt and the late Zimbabwe President Robert Mugabe and Cuba Fidel Castro. So you know, so if Castro get this, you know, say PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, government give it to him. You understand? So the Jamaican honors and award system was promulgated under the National Honors and Act of 1969 to recognize merit in achievement and service. Decoration and award recognize bravery, meritorious, long and valuable service and good conduct. And I'll show you how politics work on them thing there. So in 1992, I almost lose my life on them thing there, and all a policeman him they get shot up on him Paul Gas. Yeah, him lie. I must say all 10 liars spitting a fee mouth. Cause gunman shoot him, you know. And I was the one who saved him, like me the boy did start shoot off on them thing there. And because him start to shoot after me from in a Tata bus. Right in front, I was a boy from Bibo Passy at Jonestown. You understand? And him start shoot after me from in the bus. Because I did not return fire in the bus. Because the bus had packed in a Tata bus. A man by the name of Campbell. I look at one white man in America era tree. And the man say, boy, I put up, the man say, him and a man named that man is dead now, and them call him Baba Roberts, a detective inspector. The man is straight like arrow, you know. Police force and promote him and him thing because him did arrest must see me a man to go be and I hit them have against him, say my PMP. And the man they are just police. The man they are a politician. One man named Baba Roberts. You can't find a more decent police than him. But it's just that he's a man, Baba Roberts, a kind of police where you can't abuse people and him know and him thing there. You understand? Because I have all squad with him arrest and charge, make them lose the work and all them thing there. Them man in a play. Them man believe in protecting people's rights and them thing there, but you understand what I'm saying? That's the kind of police, but they never promote him. Because he wasn't a part of them clique, because he man a thief and all them thing there. But him dead with him integrity and him honor still. So the man and Baba Roberts and the man named Campbell. So Baba Roberts said, boy, this policeman and forget him forget the gallant him forget the gallantry because all my behave under pressure and them thing there. Cause I must say if some police them shoot up a bus and that pretty much it'll be justifiable, but you have to think about other people's life. You understand what I'm saying? So you will get paid as a policeman, you get paid for take gunshot, So that's what the police get paid for. So I could not, in good conscience, all of my training. So that's why police officer, when you're by yourself, you have to think about all kind of scenario how you will act. If a shooting happen and you think even before it happen, you go run. When shot fire, you go run. You understand? So I was the one who stand up and the other policeman in a run go back in the station. But him have a foot them called Chigga foot, and him Chigga foot lick him. So him go hide in a phone booth. I'm a friend still, him dead now, in here series. So the man him say boy, and so the man named Campbell now, the man named a brown man in him say boy, you're a good police and them put me up for national award and them thing there and we forget promotion and all kind of thing. Hey, that's how them said to me in the morning, And say from that me never hear nothing about it, One time ask a detective inspector where, at a Clarendon say boy, if him know about it and him say boy, him hear when him the guy one conference, he made him a big me up on them thing there and you understand, and him say me follow up. Anyway, when me get back to him and them thing, the man say, boy, I don't know how you do on them thing there, but the man them shelf it. Politics. Because I get transferred now from Clarendon because them say me a labor right police. To me I lock up PMP, the people them where I commit crime in my police area. And me I execute all warrant from all before. All warrant when I police station from 1980. And me I lock up me I execute warrant from people where 12 years ago them commit crime and them free because them buy out the police them. So them now say boy me a problem on them thing there. So them and call them tell me say boy I can't then them are real mean. Boy I just back off on them thing there because all of them weren't there long time and them people and them move out. And I say no, and so it go. No man can't want it and warrant a station for them and me I execute them. So me get transfer and I don't know if them put a asterisk on my name and them thing there and you understand. So never hear anything about that and them thing there. That's the only time my name ever come up for that. Yeah. So moving on. So you understand. So so under the act, the country's Governor General is the Chancellor of Order of National Hero, the Order of Excellence, the Order of Merit that I owe him, the Order of Jamaica, the Order of Distinction, and the Chief Justice is the Chancellor of the Order of the Nation. Badges of honors are issued annually for gallantry, merit of service, and long and faithful service, while medals of honor are given for gallantry, merit of service, long and faithful service, and efficient service. So getting an award at Jamaica and them thing, it means a lot to some Jamaican people, but like for me that no means zip to me and them thing because you can't sell it. My award that me have right now and them thing, me can't sell them. And my badge that me earn in a Uncle Sam town. You understand? So I just saw it go. But yeah, these people, Bounty Killer, Capitan, Bobby Reds, Bushman, and Isaiah Leng, man, them deserving a national award. Oh, them the girl a man like Tony Rebel, no award. And them man they contribute to the thing and you never hear Tony Rebel involved in a killing on a body or being a suspect. So this man I talk about boy because Beenie Man don't forget no award. If them give Beenie one award and we are say it without any apology, just make sure Zeeks, Dudus, White Knight, Vybz Kartel, Joel and them, and all of the murderer them in a prison. Yeah, just give them and make sure Dudus, just give Dudus his one so when he return to Jamaica, him get him award. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.